paano kung magpapakasal ako sa isang just for the purpose of acquiring foreign citizenship? Ang tanong ko, attorney, valid ba ang aming kasal kahit hindi ko siya mahal, kahit nagpakasal lang kami because of the purpose of acquiring foreign citizenship, no? So, sabi ng batas or sabi ng jurisprudence natin, no, in Republic versus Albios, valid po ang kasal, no? Hindi mo makikita sa batas na dapat ang rason mo to get married is because you love the person. Hindi mo rin makikita doon na ang rason mo dapat is hindi for acquiring foreign citizenship, no? As long as the essential requisites are met, no? Legal capacity, consent, as long as all the formal requisites are present, no? Even if it's irregular, valid yan, no? Yung formal requisites, no? So, it does not mean that if your only motive or purpose for marrying a person is because of his or her foreign citizenship, para makalipad ka, makalayas ka sa problema ng Pilipinas, no? Or siguro for financial reasons, kung papakasal ka for financial reasons, that marriage is still valid. Hindi mo yan pwedeng inalify just because you really don't love the person, just because you have other motive. As long as all the essential requisites and the formal requisites are present, valid po ang kasal. Okay?